Hello guys, and once again welcome to Pankaj Sir's Echelon Tutorials, and this is a video in continuation of the previous one where I was doing exercise 12 from the David Reyner book, and the topic was indices. Okay, so this is the continuation of that. So it's for Igcse, and the topic is the subject is maths. Topic is indices. Okay, and this is exercise 12 that I was doing, and I think in the last video I did some question number 1 to 20. So this is a continuation of the same. So let us get started. So question number 21. Okay, question number 21 says that x raised to minus 2 divided by x raised to another minus 2. Okay, this will work out to, now we are using basically the rules which I have discussed in the previous video. Those rules, those laws we are going to apply. So this is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So because the bases are same, x and x, so I'll write x raised to minus 2 minus of a minus 2. This will work out to x raised to minus 2 plus a 2, which is nothing but x raised to 0, and anything raised to 0 is 1. Okay, so two laws I have used here. One is a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n, and second law that I have used is anything raised to 0 is equal to 1. These are the two laws that I have used in this particular question. So let us move on to question number 22. 22 says that w raised to minus 3 multiplied by w raised to a minus 2. Okay, so this should work out to w raised to minus 3 plus a minus 2, that is minus 2 itself. So this will work out to w raised to minus 5. So this is the answer, or at the most you can write as 1 upon w raised to 5. Okay, if you don't want a negative index, if you want a positive index, it will be 1 upon w raised to 5. Question number 23. It's w raised to minus 7 multiplied by w raised to 2. Okay, because the bases are same, we'll write w raised to minus 7 plus 2. Okay, this should work out to w raised to minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. If you don't want a negative index, write 1 upon w raised to 5. Okay, next is 24th. It says that x cubed divided by x raised to minus 4. X raised to minus 4. Okay, this is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So because the bases are same, we can take the same base x, and we'll do 3 minus of minus 4. Okay, this will work out to x raised to 3 plus 4, which is nothing but x raised to 7. That's the answer. 25th. 25th is a square the whole raised to 4. A square the whole raised to 4. Here I am going to use the law a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to mn. Okay, so this will be a raised to 2 into 4, which works out to a raised to 8. So this is the answer. Okay, then coming to 26, it says that k raised to half and the whole thing raised to 6. Again the same law, this law I am going to use. So I can write this as k raised to half into 6, which works out to k raised to this 6 will cut here and it will become 3. So k raised to 3 is the answer. 27. E raised to minus 4 into e raised to 4. E raised to minus 4 into e raised to 4. Now this is a raised to m into a raised to n form. So because the base are same, you can write e raised to minus 4 plus 4. This works out to e raised to 0, and I told you anything raised to 0 is 1 in indices, so the answer will be 1. 28. X raised to minus 1 times x raised to 30. Okay, this will work out to x raised to minus 1 plus 30. This is equal to x raised to 29. Is that okay? Fine. Now moving on to 29th. Question number 29. It says that y raised to 4 whole raised to a half. Now this can be written as y raised to 4 into half, which is equal to y raised to, this will cut and we'll get y raised to 2 as the answer. That's question number 29 completed. 30. X raised to minus 3 whole raised to a minus 2. So this will work out to x raised to minus 3 into minus 2 will be plus 6. Okay, so let me write only 6 over here. So that was question number 30. 31. 31 is z raised to 2 divided by z raised to minus 2. Okay, so this will work out to z raised to 2 minus of minus 2. This will work out to z raised to 2 plus 2. This will work out to z raised to 4. So that's the answer. That was question number 31. Let us come to 32. 32 says that t raised to minus 3 divided by a t. T raised to minus 3 divided by a t. See, when there is nothing written on top of t, you can assume that to be a 1. T raised to 1. Okay, this will be working out to t raised to minus 3, and this is division, so this will be minus a 1. Okay, minus 3 minus 1. This will work out to t raised to minus 4. If you don't want a negative index, you can write this as 1 upon t raised to 4. Okay. 33. 2x cubed whole raised to another 2. Fine. Now this can be written as 2 into x cubed whole raised to 2. Okay. You have to be a bit careful over here. Now this will go this way. 2 raised to 2 into x cubed raised to 2. This should work out to 2 raised to 2 is 4 times. This will work out to 3 2s are 6, so x raised to 6. So your answer will be 4x raised to 6. That was the answer for 33rd. 34th. It is 4 y to the power of 5 the whole square. This again can be written as 4 into y raised to 5 whole square. Then this 2 will go with this 4 also, 4 raised to 2, and this y raised to 5 will also have this power 2. So 4 square is 16, and y raised to 5 the whole square will be y raised to 10. So this combined you can write as 16 y raised to 10. Okay. 35th. 35th is 2x square multiplied by 3x square. Now here what you have to do is you have to multiply the number separately. So 2 into 3 will be 6, and then x square into x square will be x raised to 2 plus 2. So it will be 6x raised to 4. That is 35th answer. So 35 questions are over. Let us come to 36. Question number 36. 36 says that 5y cubed times 2y square. Again the numbers you have to multiply out separately. 5 into 2 will be 10 times y cubed into y square will be y raised to 3 plus 2. This should work out to 10 y raised to 5. That's the answer. 37. 5a cubed multiplied by 3a. So again you have to multiply the numbers separately. 5 3s are 15. So I'll write 15 here, and a raised to 3 and into a. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So 15 a raised to 4 is the answer. 38 is 2a the whole cube. 2a the whole cube. Now this will be 2 cubed times a cube. That is equal to 2 cube is 8, and a cube is nothing but a cube. So 8a cube should be the answer. 39. It's a 3x cube divided by a x cube. Fine. This can be written as, now numbers you have to divide separately. 3 divided by 1 will be 3, and then x cube divided by x cube will be 1. Okay, x cube and x cube both will cut. So the answer will be 3 into 1, which is nothing but 3. 40th one is 8y cube divided by 2y. So 8 divided by 2 will be 4, and y cube divided by y, that is y raised to 3 minus 1. This will work out to 4y squared. Okay. So these were the another 20 questions, that is from 21 to 40, that I have completed in this video. In the next video I will be covering up from 41 onwards up to 50. Okay, that will complete with our exercise 12, and we can move on to exercise 13 later on. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you happen to like my video, please subscribe my channel, okay, and encourage me to make more videos on these topics. Okay, so thank you for being with me. Bye. Take care all of you.